Good afternoon, friends. In the picture, I saw three persons, two boys and a girl. All of them are of 18 age 18 years, and all of them are in positive mood. And my story goes this: there is a group of friends who are studying, who just gave their class 12th exam, and they actually did well, and they are expecting 80 to 85%. So they decided to have fun after their exam, and they plan to go for Araku. So they start uh, and so and they start by train, and they go there, all of them, and three of them, and they had fun there, and they saw Bora caves and else. And meanwhile, the girl, her name is
Next.
Good afternoon, friends. In this picture, I saw three characters. Two are male and one is female. The age is around 20 to 25 years, and the mood is neutral. My center character is Ravi. Ravi and his friends goes for a picnic, and the story goes like this. Ravi is a law student who wanted to bring changes in the society, especially in the environment sector. So he witnessed that there is too much of air pollution because of caused by government and private airplanes. So he take up the issue with the government authorities and also with his aeronautical friends. They took up they came up with an idea of bringing solar plane run by solar energy, which would be pollution free. So the proposal was accepted, and it was appreciated by the authorities.
Next.
Good afternoon, everyone. As per my observance of the picture, I saw three characters. One girl of age 16, mood positive, and two boys of mood negative, and two boys of age 18 and mood negative. The story goes on like this. It was a regular school day. Radhika was the school was completed. Radhika was coming back by the route to the way to her home, while she saw, like, she felt some two boys are following her. So she kept on continuing, but on the roadside, their teacher, actually their class teacher, he parked his car on the road and was attending to a call, while he saw that a girl is being followed by two boys, and he felt it's something unethical. So he kept on watching unless it is confirmed that it's something unethical. So afterwards, when they were eve teasing her and he was sure, he came out and talked to them. He told them that a girl alone on the road is a responsibility, not an opportunity. And
Next.
Good afternoon. In the picture shown, I have seen two boys and one girl. All are around 16 years of age. They all are skating in the road. And suddenly, Ram, Shyam, and Rachna all are skating in the road. They were so absorbed that they didn't even realize that the car is coming in the way. Then the car driver, then suddenly Ram prevent all of them, and move to them safer place. Then the car driver scolded him badly. Then when he realized that all are feeling sorry for what they have done, then he told them by smiling. So you should not play in the main road. You should play in the ground. They all accepted, and they moved to the ground and enjoyed their holiday. Thank you.
Good evening, friends. Good afternoon, friends. In the picture shown to us, I have seen three characters. Two are male, one is female. All are in a positive mood. My main character is Raju, 18 years old boy, and my story goes like this. Raju, who had completed his 12th class, and in a vacation he planned a tour with his friends, and we gone to nearest forest in their locality and enjoyed the picnic with his friends. Then he suddenly notices that some smugglers are smuggling the red sandalwoods in the forest available there. Then he rushed to the forest officer in that locality and informed them about the smugglers and helped to catch the man. At last, the officers thanked the Raju. That's it. Thank you.
Good afternoon, all of you, ladies and gentlemen. What I perceive from the story is there are three people, two boys and a girl, all around of same age, that is 17 years, and mood was positive. The action of my story was cleaning of beach. So my main character is Rohan. Rohan after completion of class 12, he with his friends decided to go to a beach so to have some fun. When they packed their luggage and went there on the beach, they saw a lot of waste littered here and there by the people. So they thought that it should not be like this. Their responsibility should be to clean this. So Rohan took up the charge and went to the beach authority and asked their help. Then with the help of beach authority and also they persuaded all the other peoples to help them in cleaning the beach. Later with the help of all the people, they cleaned the beach, and later then they were happy that though they have not got fun, but they have done something for their country by cleaning it, and they were all very happy. Thank you.
Friends,
Friends,
what am I
see
trying
three
to say
children,
is,
three children in a picture. One is girl and two are boys of age around 16. They are children.
let it make 18 years.
Okay, 18
Yes,
and
sir,
20.
18
And
and 20,
we see
yes.
them that they all are in forest and there is no one nearby. So we can say
No,
it is a
there
deserted
was
place.
There was a jeep.
car
There is a
and
jeep.
There is a jeep.
There is a jeep.
It can be the vehicle.
There is a 3-lane road is there,
There
and there is an
was a
intersection
car.
also. There is a car also. So I think.
And the girl was
and
walking
if it
on
is
the
a
one leg.
forest, there should be a lot of trees around. There was only one coconut tree in the picture.
So let it
And
go.
there is a
Surrounding
surrounding
area.
area.
It's a city area.
There are trees.
It's not that there are no trees. There was a
only
car and also
There was a
and the girl was walking on
Right,
the
that
one
seems
leg.
to be a
Yeah.
tree which was on the roadside.
So let us make it a
And the girl
village.
was walking on one
Okay,
leg.
let's make it a village which is not very urban in nature. So that is why there were not many people and there were not many cars in there.
It can be also a beach side.
There was
Beachside it can be there, but there
On
should
the-
be
on
more
the inside there are
sand
no
and less
trees.
amount of tree because usually there are not.
As it was easy,
Yes, less
easy
amount of
because
trees,
there
but
there
there
is
is
no
no
way
one
of
same.
There were
But
two
just
or
number
three.
45 I used to,
Usually
but there are no
beach there are not.
no
Okay, let us make it a
on the
village.
There were no
They are
trees.
moving on.
And
Plus,
and
we are in the road.
it's
They are on the road and
They are on the road. There was a car. There was a car and that was
There was a
parked.
car.
Okay, let's go with the town. How about that? Not a
Let's
village.
make it a
Not a village or a
And
city.
another
Let's
point-
go with the town. With the
It's a town.
a situation of
Let's
an
outskirt
intersection.
of town.
And
Okay,
also
fine,
point was
fine.
the
We'll
girl
go
was
with
walking on one leg.
that.
Yeah.
She was walking like injured. Or
She was not
She
walking.
was-
She had a
She was
scooter
walking.
type.
She was
She was skating.
So you can
She was
take
having
the
She was
hand
having a
bicycle.
scooter. All
I
three
was
of them were having a
I
scooter.
observed that she was also carrying a bag, so she could be a schoolgirl.
She could be a school girl or they had planned it
Those
which
three
needs
were
bag.
school,
Also, the two guys were behind her. Only.
Yeah, behind
There
her,
was
they were
something-
talking something.
and they
Yeah,
were
talking something for her.
on the cycle.
So
They
what
were
was
cycle or a skate
They were
bicycle?
cycling.
It
It
was
was
a
cycle.
bicycle.
It was a hand bicycle, right? It was not a
Yes.
proper cycle. So usually, people don't travel in hand bicycle. So let's go. They made it a trip, or they were coming somewhere from school or something.
But it seems as if they were following that girl.
Every time two people are behind a girl, that doesn't mean
But
that
the
they
girl
are
was walking like she was injured.
She was
She was
There
she had a
was
bicycle.
positive
She had a bicycle.
Okay, they are positive. I think we can go with the discussion. They were discussing something, but they were
They have seen this girl
not in the discussion at all.
They are just seeing the girl. But the girl was walking on. She was
She
walking
had-
like
She
she
was
was
completely
injured.
a stranger for both two boys, I think so.
Do you feel
That
that she was a
cannot
little
be
bit
for
worried?
sure. They were talking something
Just
for
about
sure.
that
so
side,
doesn't
they are-
Just
mean-
because
plan for
do
it,
you
yes.
feel that the girl was a little bit worried? That
Yeah.
picture?
Yeah, she
Yeah,
was.
she was.
No.
She was
No,
worried.
No, I don't know.
They were in worried condition. She
Yeah,
was
yeah,
walking on
Friends,
one leg.
friends.
Maybe
What
the
am I
way
trying to
by
say?
looking
Looking
good
at
at
the
these
way
guys
she
walk,
walked, looking at the way she walked, she was little worried or
Worried.
some kind of feeling was there. She was not
So
in the
let's
happy
go
mood.
with that thing.
She was uneasy.
She was a little bit worried on that.
Slightly
So
uneasy also.
let us frame that in that.
I think we should go on environmental issues like
Yeah, we
Like
should worry
environmental
any particular issues on that.
Not
about
like
cleaning
three
and
friends
she would be
planned for
worried
a
about that
picnic.
there were too
Let-
much waste in their
Yeah,
park
yes.
space.
Last
She
1
was-
minute is there for you.
She'll be worried
Conclude.
about that because of all the wrappers and cans
Yes,
they were
yes,
there.
there were-
We can also bring involved. This
And
was
also
Bharat
she may
Abhiyan.
be worried that she was
What about the car?
being
No one
irritated
thought
by
about
two
it.
people.
Yeah.
Every time
No,
boys
so
are
it
calling
can
her,
have
that
some
doesn't mean that they are
important
irritating her
Of
in any way.
From the
They were
picture,
But
we see
they were
that
calling
they
that
are
they were
girls.
laughing on her.
They were not laughing.
But
They
that's
were
the
laughing.
question.
The girl was worried about all the wrappers and cans there, and the boys were discussing about how we can improve on them.
Okay, how about
Yes.
this particular situation wherein a person is throwing something on the road and he just walks off, a big garbage on the road.
Yeah.
And she's worried about that.
Yeah, and the boys are talking
she's
that
seeing
how-
that thing
yeah.
and she's worried, and she's going towards him and telling about this, what is happening with this.
Yes.
He can't do this
Yeah,
something.
because it is not that.
Yes,
So
by,
then
by
they
that
plan
we can
something
prove the
with
car.
the-
By that we
what
can
about
prove
Then
the
the
car.
plan is something with the cleaning of the city. You can go in that
Yes.
order also, right?
Yeah, and the boys are discussing, how it should
Yeah, I
have
mean,
been
how
avoided.
should they?
The car was
Okay.
also like
Okay, your
like
time is
like-
up. Now, one of you, have you come to any consensus?
Yes, sir.
In that case, any one of you selected by the group can give out the group consensus.
Can I give?
Yes.
So because he's studying in Vivekananda College in BSc, and as they were one day they planned for go out and they were walking in the city. Suddenly observed that there was a person walking through the footpath and he had thrown his garbage. And suddenly Ria was along with him, realized that such a thing should not be happening in the city, and garbage was a huge problem everywhere and it would spoil the look of the city. So they wanted to carry a campaign for this particular problem, and they, along with his college mates, they carried a campaign in the city, the whole of the city. They walked around, they collected the garbage, they disposed it, and this was noticed by whole of the localites, and it was a huge motivation for them to keep the city clean.
Okay.